the...
Something just came flying in. A stick. Oh.
Oh, there's a spider in here.
I walked through a cobweb. I feel like it's all over me.
I know. At least you didn't freak out. Turn into a ninja. Yeah. Ooh, look at all the spider webs in the truck.
I know. They're everywhere. I walked through about 2 million of them on my way to the truck.
That's good.
I was kung fuing like never before.
That way they're all broken and on you before I come out.
Yeah,
So
that's...
that works out good for me.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Tastes great. Though.
Yeah. Silky.
Yeah. And it's a great way to stay in shape.
What's wrong?
I don't know, I keep feeling a bug crawling on my neck. But there isn't. It's probably the tag on my...
Or that giant spider.
Ah! Oh, got a spider crawling on my arm. I don't know where he went. That's even scarier. Ah! Why did I open the window? Out!
I just rolled the window down and the spider was like right over the top and I was like, ah! There's a spider in here. It's freaking me out. Ugh, he was juicy.
Yummy.
He's right there.
Well, part of him is right there.
Yeah. Oh, there's a spider in here. That's just like the other one I squished.
It's in the same place, too.
Yeah, there's the remnants of the other one. And then that one.
I feel like I got a little cobweb on my face there. Ah, nature.
I know.
It's all over me.